Oes gen ti datw? Oes tatŵ da ti? Mae gen i 3 tatŵ. 3 tattoos. A'r cynta, the first one, y cynta ges I oedd Hiraeth ar fy nghefn on my back. I really just absolutely love that word, Hiraeth. It was the first tattoo I ever got. And I don't really buy the idea that Hiraeth can't be translated, because I think of the word CALON, which I suppose translates to heart. But since learning the language, it means so much more. It alludes to so much more than that. Hiraeth itself comes from hir, which means long, and then we add the abstract noun feminine suffix aeth, and in a cool twist of events, even though it ends in aeth, Hiraeth is a masculine noun, one of only a few masculine nouns that end in aeth. There's a quick tip for you. If we're going to try and find a translation for it, I suppose it's a longing in your soul for a home or a time or a family. It's a place you've never been, a person you've never met, or maybe for a person or a place that's never existed. It's a yearning for comfort in troubled times. It's almost an irrational bond to a part of one's psyche where one feels like their soul belongs. It's a longing for a belonging, I suppose. And for me, that makes it one of the most beautiful words we have.